Are you ready to step up your crypto game in 2023? With so many exchanges out there, it can be tough to know which ones are worth your time and money. That's why we've scoured the market and done the research to bring you the ultimate guide to the best crypto exchanges of 2023. From user experience to security, trading fees to supported cryptocurrencies, we've got you covered. Of course, it is not our intention in this video to tell you which one is better than the other. We will just present them and it will be up to you to decide. So, get ready to make some serious gains and take your crypto portfolio to the next level with our top picks for the year ahead. But before we get into the heart of the matter, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. The very first crypto exchange on our list is Bybit. Bybit is a popular futures exchange that has gained a reputation for its lightning-fast trading engine and advanced charting tools. Its focus on perpetual contracts makes it an attractive option for experienced traders who want to take advantage of high leverage and low trading fees. One of the standout features of Bybit is its intuitive and customizable trading interface, which allows traders to monitor and analyze market data with ease. However, beginners may find the platform a bit intimidating at first, as it's designed for professional traders. Despite this, Bybit has become one of the go-to exchanges for those looking to trade crypto derivatives, and its popularity continues to grow as the crypto market expands. The next crypto exchange on this list is Binance. Binance is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With a wide variety of trading pairs and support for numerous cryptocurrencies, it has become a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. One of the standout features of Binance is its low trading fees, which makes it an affordable option for those looking to trade frequently. The exchange also offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for newcomers to navigate the platform and place trades. However, some users have raised concerns about Binance's customer support, which can be slow to respond to queries. Additionally, the exchange has faced criticism for its security in the past, although it has taken steps to improve its systems in recent years. Despite these issues, Binance remains one of the most popular exchanges in the crypto space with millions of users around the world. Before we continue, we would like to clarify that this is just our opinion, and users may have different experiences using the platform. Before we move on to the third exchange, please hit the like button and share this video if you haven't already. Now, let's move on to the third exchange. The third crypto exchange of this list is Kraken. Kraken is one of the longest-standing exchanges in the crypto space, having been founded in 2011. It has a reputation for being one of the most secure exchanges available, with a strong focus on regulatory compliance and risk management. This makes it an attractive option for those who prioritize security and transparency when trading. Kraken also offers a wide range of trading pairs, including fiat to crypto option, which makes it a convenient choice for those looking to trade in and out of traditional currencies. In terms of fees, Kraken is relatively competitive, with some of the lowest trading fees among the major exchanges. However, some users have reported slow customer support, which can be frustrating for those who need quick assistance with their accounts. Overall, Kraken is a solid choice for those who prioritize security and regulatory compliance and who are comfortable with a slightly slower customer support response time. Again, this is just our opinion based on our own experience. And the next crypto exchange is Coinbase. Coinbase is a well-known and highly regarded crypto exchange that has been around since 2012. It's known for its easy-to-use interface and straightforward buying and selling process, which makes it a popular choice for those new to the crypto space. Coinbase supports a range of cryptocurrencies and offers fiat to crypto trading pairs, which makes it a convenient option for those looking to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional currencies. One of the standout features of Coinbase is its strong security and regulatory compliance, which helps to ensure that users' funds are protected. However, some users have reported high fees, which can make it an expensive option for frequent traders. Additionally, Coinbase has faced criticism for its customer support, which some users have found to be slow and unresponsive. Overall, Coinbase is a great choice for those new to crypto who are looking for a secure and easy-to-use platform, but it may not be the best choice for frequent traders or those looking for the lowest fee. Another major crypto exchange is Robinhood Crypto. Robinhood Crypto is an online brokerage that has quickly become a popular choice for those looking to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. One of the standout features of Robinhood Crypto is that it offers commission-free trading, which means that users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies without having to pay transaction fees. This makes it an attractive option for those who want to avoid fees and keep more of their profits. In addition, Robinhood Crypto offers a simple and user-friendly interface, which makes it a great choice for those new to the crypto space. However, it's worth noting that Robinhood Crypto currently only supports a limited number of cryptocurrencies, with only 7 options available at the time of this recording. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the platform's stability during times of high trading volume. Overall, Robinhood Crypto is a great option for those who prioritize low transaction fees and a user-friendly platform, and who are comfortable with a limited selection of cryptocurrencies. As of 2023, Robinhood Crypto boasts over 18 million users, and it's one of the most popular online brokers for cryptocurrency trading. And the last one on this list is eToro. eToro is a social trading platform that offers a wide range of trading options, including cryptocurrency trading. One of the standout features of eToro is that it offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface that makes it easy for traders of all skill levels to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In addition, eToro offers a range of trading tools and features, such as copy trading, which allows users to automatically copy the trades of other successful traders. This can be a great option for those who are new to trading and are looking for guidance. In terms of fees, eToro charges a spread on cryptocurrency trades, which can vary depending on the asset being traded. The platform also charges withdrawal fees, although these are relatively low compared to some other exchanges. Overall, eToro is a great choice for those who value a user-friendly trading experience and a range of trading tools and features. Its low withdrawal fees and relatively competitive spread fees make it an attractive option for frequent traders. The list of top crypto exchanges doesn't end here, as there are many other great platforms that we plan to cover in a future video. However, it's important to remember that there is no one super exchange that can fulfill all of your trading needs. While some platforms may offer many advantages, there will always be potential downsides to consider. Therefore, it's important to carefully consider your own trading goals and priorities when selecting an exchange. Factors such as trading fees, security, selection of cryptocurrencies, and user experience can all play a role in determining which platform is the best fit for you. By doing your research and taking the time to evaluate your options, you can make an informed decision and choose an exchange that meets your needs and helps you achieve your trading goals. What are some of your favorite crypto exchanges and why? Are there any specific features or benefits that you look for when choosing a platform to trade on? Let us know in the comments. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, stay tuned to our channel for informative content. We cover everything from the rise of digital currencies to the latest trends in the market. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things crypto. See you in the next video.